All right, so we're going to look at the time menu, and that's this fourth function key here. The first one that I want to talk about, so this is showing the quote-unquote current time, which obviously has not been set. So if we go into the set menu, then you can set the date, you can set the time, switch between AM and PM. This would be the month or day first, so you can see it switches to the day first, day, month, year, month, day, year. And then the 12 or 24 hour display. And then the help menu just tells you that you need to enter in month, month, decimal point, day, day, and then your 4-digit year. And then for your time, you need to enter hour, hour, decimal point, minute, minute, second, second. So let's go ahead and set this to January 1st, 2000. So I want to set and then go to date. Well, first we're going to enter our date. So let's do January 1st would be 1/01 and then 2000. And then let's set that as our date. So we have January 1st, 2000. And we'll set our time to 9 a.m. So let's do 9.0000 time. So now we are at 9 and then switch to a.m. So January 1st at 9 a.m. And again, if I want to switch to 24-hour display and switch month and date positions, you can do that. All right, now that we have our time set, let's look at, say, appointments. So appointments allows you to set different alarms. So if I go into appointment 1, I can set a alarm here. So let's say I want to set an alarm for January 1st, and 2000. And then let's do we'll set that as our alarm time. AM and PM, we want AM, and then you can set a message, and you can also set it to repeat. Now I don't want this one to repeat, but let's see what happens. So we are currently at 9:01, and through the magic of editing, and then this will go for 20 seconds, and you can see up there it's showing me that I have an alarm, so I can press any button to go ahead and acknowledge that alarm. And we have acknowledged it. All right, so going back into this menu, we have appointments, which we covered. Now adjustments. So I can adjust my hour. I guess this is if your clock has drifted. Adjust minutes and adjust seconds. And maybe you would just want to adjust the time if you switch time zones or whatever, but you can do this without having to enter in the entire number. I guess that's useful. All right, last one is Calc. So this gives you calculations between various dates. So for example, let's go ahead and enter in as date 1. And again, we're keying in month, month, day, day, year, year, year. Let's do April 20th, 1949. So that would be 4.20, 1949. So that would be date 1. And then let's enter date 2 as August 2nd, 1986. So it would be August 2nd, 1986. And then let's calculate between them. We'll calculate the number of days. So it says the number of days between those two dates is 13,618 days. If we were to calculate it on 360, then it would give us 13,422. So that's a 360-day calendar, or 30-day months. And then lastly, a 365 calendar gives us 13,609 days. And that accounts for the leap years that we have there. So I suppose you could use that to calculate the number of years that have passed. If you're entering a date and then you determine that you want to just use today's date, of course you can use today's date and enter that as date 1, and then number of days from that point. But what you can also do is use the number of days to calculate a date. So, for example, we've just entered in today's date. Now let's enter in the number of days we want to calculate. So say it's 45 days. And we have 45, and then we can calculate what the second date would be. So if we hit that, so that would be February 15th, 2000 would be 45 days from now, or 45 days from that date. So those are those 4 menus and their uses.